What's the date today? We're in November.
Mid-November. I'm
Mid-November.
not entirely sure.
Yeah. And doing our late planting harvest of Japanese sweet potatoes. So they're quite irregular form, but they taste the same whether they're curled up or whole or smooth.
They look good.
Yeah, if you're keeping them, you don't wash them. We're going to use these. You keep the dirt on them and let them cure for a while. But
Right now we're headed into the kitchen
yeah,
to prepare squash and sweet potato and salad. And
they get baked.
are you happy with that?
Yeah, they're late because we planted so late when people were harvesting. So they've only had about 100 days in the ground, and this variety could use up to 150 days to get full size. But they're very nice sweet potato. They're dry and flavorful, not watery. I'll bring them inside.
You see? Beautiful.
But these curly varieties, they wouldn't be in the store. You wouldn't use them, but there's so much waste. Whereas from the garden, who cares? They're just as sweet and just as good.
Off we go to the kitchen.